Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Monzo Pods to save money automatically so you can hit your financial goals faster. First, open the Monzo app and log in. From the home screen, you gotta tap the plus button next to your account balance or scroll down and tap Create Pod. Now give your pod a name like Holiday Fund or Emergency Savings and choose a cover photo or emoji if you want. Now then enter your target amount and set a goal. Next, to save automatically, tap Add Scheduled Payment. Here you can set how much you want to move into your pod daily, weekly, or monthly. Monzo will transfer this amount automatically on your chosen schedule. For extra help savings, you can also turn on roundups when you spend. Monzo will round your purchases to the nearest pound and send the spare changes straight into your pod. And that's really it. Your pod is now set up, and Monzo will help you save automatically without you even thinking about it. Now, if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick money tips. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video.